Summer Climate Leadership Academy is for high schoolers that are interested in climate action and climate literacy.
I think my favorite thing about the Academy was just meeting all the new people and learning that there's so much to climate change. There's so much more than just global warming. There's so much more than just greenhouse gases. There's so many different aspects of this battle against climate change and so many different ways that we can help in every aspect of our life.
As youth, we are all growing up in a world that is changing, and we see that in our own lives. We see ecosystems that are dying and disappearing. We see people and communities that are threatened and on the front lines of climate change, and that affects us.
We need a lot more young people to start learning what climate change is and why it's so important. Right now, there's a lot of climate literacy that's not going on, and we need to improve that.
Talking to different policymakers and my friends around me here, I've learned that I have the power to make a change. Elected officials want to hear from me, and I think I'm gonna, with the confidence I have now, actually go out there and make a public comment or reach out.